Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do a trek which is most exciting and thrilling trek of the Maharashtra, and that is Harishchandragarh. तो ये ट्रैक की शुरुआत होती है शनिवार की सुबह 1 बजे। हमें विवियाना मॉल से पिकअप किया गया। मैंने ये ट्रैक एक ट्रैकिंग कंपनी द क्लाइम्बस्केपर्स के साथ किया है। उनके बारे में डिटेल में आगे वीडियो में बताऊंगी। गिवन द सिचुएशंस, दे हैड टुक ऑल द प्रिकॉशंस लाइक टेम्परेचर चेक एंड हैंड सैनिटाइजेशन ऑफ एवरी इंडिविजुअल ऑन द ट्रैक at regular intervals. They had arranged a bus for to and fro from the base village where we were going to start the trek. हम बेस विलेज पहुँचे अराउंड 5 बजे और वहाँ पे पहुँच के हमने नाश्ता कर लिया, गरम गरम पोहे और चाय। There was a brief introduction session by the trek leaders wherein we gave our introduction and they explained us the route and also some rules and regulations. It's about 6 o'clock and it's going to be sunrise in some time. Right now we are at a village called Khireshwar, and we had a little bit of breakfast, and now we're going to start our trek from here. And there are many routes to go to Harishchandragarh, and we are going through Junar Darwaja. This was the route starting from Khireshwar village through Junar Darwaja. We would reach Balekila and then see Harishchandrashwar temple and end our day at Kokankada. Day 2, see the sunrise at Taramati peak and head back to the base village through Tolar Khind. So let's go. So right now we are going through this little area where we are covered with leaves and plants on both the sides. It's a very small narrow passage. The trek through Junar Darwaja is a moderate to difficult trek. After climbing for an hour, we reached a plateau from where we could witness the beautiful sunrise. So right now it's almost 7:30 and you can see sunrise behind me. That's Balekila. Reema, how are you feeling? ये व्यू कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत ही शानदार है. This is like first time experience in winters.
Yeah.
Usually winters में शायद हमने ट्रैक नहीं किया. It's a different experience. Brown shade, dried grass.
We took a break by enjoying the sunrise with a view. laying on the dry grass and watching the sky. And then we left for Balekela again. It was such a good feeling being back in the mountains and trekking after a long time of lockdown. Now there's like very cool breeze blowing over here, and we are going uphill. So we're going this steep path above. The complete path from base village is uphill. ये ट्रैक का जो रूट है ना, वो इतना सुंदर है. This route has got a great thrill element and is diverse in terms of terrain. At one point of time, you're walking through dense forest. And at another point of time, you're walking through a narrow path besides the whole view of the valley. There are a lot of caves which are spread out all over the fort. And we came across one while heading to Balekela. These mountains are looking so nice. क्या दिख रहा है रीमा? कौन सा शेप दिख रहा है?
It's looking like elephant का सूंड.
Elephant ka. And after 2 hours, we reached the start point of Junar Darwaja. So let me tell you some facts about Harishchandra trek. The Harishchandragarh trek is the most glorious trek, which includes caves, temples. It is at an elevation of 4,670 feet. It is a hill fort in Ahmednagar district, and it is located in the area of Malsheshgarh. Konkan Kada is the major attraction of Harishchandragarh. We have been climbing since almost 3 hours. It's almost 9:30 and we started at around 6:30. So we've come all the way from there and we've climbed all this incline, and now we're going up. We have to reach that point. Let's go. Junar Darwaja is a very adventurous part of the valley with hard and tough rock patches. The route is like a needle hole. While we were trekking up, we found some sculptures which were carved on the stone walls. How interesting were they? Last few patch of rocks and we're going to reach that point. Come on, Rima. It's 11:51 and I'm really exhausted. धूप भी आ गई है, अब तक हम लोग पहुँचे नहीं हैं. तो पता है क्या है मोटिवेशन? मुझे पता चला है कि ऊपर जाके झुमका भाकरी मिलने वाला. बस वही है मोटिवेशन कि मैं चलते जा रही हूँ. We made it till the point from where we had to trek a little bit towards Balekilla, but we were so damn tired that we opted not to go there. So we divided into two teams. One went and visited Balekilla and the other team waited for the first team to arrive, so we rested till then. That's it for now. See you in the part 2 of Harishchandragarh trek. The second part of the video will cover us visiting the Harishchandreshwar temple, camping at Kokankada, and experiencing the beautiful sunrise at Taramati Peak.